So now let's see how we can go ahead and work around with the testimonial block inside of Strikingly. So to do that, you can simply go ahead and add a new section right here. And then over here on the left hand side, you can see that testimonial is an option. So here you can see that in the testimonial, you have text only or text with image right here. You can go ahead and then add in, let's say, for example, different testimonial blocks right here. Let me just go ahead and add that in right here, just like this. Let's just go ahead and add this in as well. And you can see that in each one of these, you got 3 testimonial samples right here, just like this. As with any other blocks, you can, of course, go ahead and make changes to it as you like right here. And then go ahead right here onto layout. And here you can see that you got the grid format right here. You can go for list format right here and change around the size as you want right here for the media format as well to what you want. And then go ahead and change the location of the media as well, and even have alternating media right here. So the content alignment can be top, middle, or bottom right here, as you can see with the alignment option. And you have an option to disable and enable the top space as well, and reset out the space as well. So this is what you have. As you can see, you can go ahead and save the layout. And of course, with as with any other like let's say for example blocks, you can go ahead and add in a background color as you want as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the testimonial block right here. So it's simply a spot where people can go ahead and like give their reviews, and you can go ahead and add that in right here, just like this, with their image as well if you need, or you can go ahead and simply use the text blocks right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here onto layout, you can see that you can change it out onto 4 column, 5 column, as you can see right here, just like this as well. And even add in item right here to add in more testimonials as well. So you got add item right here, just like this, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the testimonial block inside of Strikingly to give reviews of your site from a third eye perspective. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe